I think the future is bright for investigational medicine unit in Singapore because definitely drug development has moved from the West to the East Asia, and there are more and more industry players as well as academia willing to do clinical trials in the Asian context.
When I first started doing some of these early phase clinical trials, I brought a visitor from the World Health Organization to see all the different kinds of research that were done in influenza, in NUH and NUS. And I can tell you the one thing that stood out in his mind was the IMU. He said there's nothing like this in Southeast Asia.
As for collaboration, our team is able to work with the various departments within the hospital. For example, for procedures that involve scanning, our coordinators is able to work with the diagnostic imaging department to schedule patients to go there for scanning.
Teamwork.
We have a good team here that work hard and play hard. We are part of the big family that comprises researchers and administrators that collaborate in clinical research in NUH.
Discovery.
I've always found them to be very professional. I enjoy working with them tremendously because they have a fantastic setup. They have a great team of administrators and doctors and nurses, and they are very professional in all their dealings with the volunteers and with the patients.
In the midst of the H1N1 flu pandemic, we got funding from the NMRC to do a large clinical trial in healthy volunteers looking at new intervention to prevent influenza. And this was actually one of the largest randomised controlled trials, investigator-initiated trials done in Singapore ever. So I think the key challenge was again around this trial called the CHIP trial, the need to recruit 1,500 participants in this very short time frame. And that really we engaged the help of IMU and through them some software developers to set up this mechanism for recruiting patients and then for delivering this trial, so that the very efficient process within the IMU to do the screening tests and to educate the participants and make sure the trial ran smoothly.
Shaping the future.
We have now built a team of clinical research professionals that have garnered extensive experience across the full spectrum of clinical phase trials. And we're also able to support academic studies, public health studies such as epidemiology. And really we offer a full service, and the unique thing that we can deliver is really troubleshooting the problems and issues that arise, as they do with each clinical study or trial.